In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funny sound effects on CapCut PC. If you want to make your videos more entertaining with things like laugh tracks, record scratches, bowings, fail sounds, or cartoon-style effects, CapCut PC makes it really simple. The best part is that you can do everything right inside the editor using the built-in sound effects library, so you do not need to leave your project or search around for extra audio files. To get started, open CapCut on your computer and go to the top left navigation area. Click on Audio, then select Sound Effects. This will open CapCut's built-in collection of audio effects that you can use in your project. Once you are there, click the search bar and type in keywords related to the kind of funny sound you want. For example, you can search for terms like laughter, bowing, record scratch, fail, or cartoon. Using specific keywords makes it much faster to find the right mood for your scene, especially if you already know the kind of joke or reaction you want to emphasize. After that, it's time to preview the sounds and choose the one that fits best. Move your mouse over any sound effect tile and click the play icon to listen to it. This is helpful because comedic timing depends a lot on the exact sound you use. A short, sharp effect might work better for a sudden reaction, while a laugh track or exaggerated cartoon sound can make a moment feel even more playful. Once you find the sound you want, click the blue plus icon to add it, or simply drag it directly onto the audio track in your timeline. Place it right beneath the exact moment where the funny action happens. Next, fine-tune the timing so the sound lands perfectly with your video. Zoom into the timeline to get a closer view, then align the start of the audio waveform with the punchline, reaction, or funny facial expression. Even a tiny shift can make a big difference, so take a moment to line it up carefully, then click on the sound effect clip in the timeline. If the effect sounds too loud or too soft compared to the rest of your video, go to Audio and then Basic in the top right panel. From there, adjust the volume slider until it blends naturally with your main audio and does not overpower the scene. That's it, you're all set, and now your video should feel a lot funnier and more polished with perfectly timed sound effects.